Hello and welcome to Trade of the Week for the week starting Monday the 22nd of October. Each week one of our analysts picks a key trade idea with a stop for the week ahead. Last week IG's market analyst Josh Mahoney went long on gold, and with me now to discuss is IG's chief market analyst Chris Beauchamp. Chris, thanks for coming in. So how did that trade go?
It hasn't really moved, I think it's fair to say. We got quite excited by that breakout in gold just a couple of weeks ago when we leapt higher. You can see that big green candle there. But as so often with price, it takes a while to digest that kind of big move, and essentially we've now moved sideways since then. No real sense that this has invalidated the long idea here with gold. It could start to move higher in due course, but certainly at the moment it continues to be a bit frustrating one of those times when the trade just doesn't really go anywhere.
So this week you're switching to an equity index trade. Obviously we've seen the Dow come off by more than 5% since that all-time high in early October. So presumably you think that price action is a little bit overdone?
I think so, yes, and it's true this has become very volatile, so treat this one carefully. I think always treat the Dow carefully because it's a big index, but you can certainly see how, while we haven't exactly shot higher again, it's not been sort of when you hold a ball underwater and it shoots back up again. It at least hasn't bothered to test the lows, and that blue rectangle there shows you that big support zone around 25,000, so dips into there tended to find buyers, and since then in fact we've managed to create a new higher low around 25,300. So the idea is that maybe we're seeing sentiment start to rebound, valuations looking more attractive, and earnings season making people more positive on the outlook for the US.
So where would you put your stop on that trade? Well,
as ever, you could run a wide one or a fairly narrow one. If you wanted to run a slightly narrow one, you could put it down towards 25,180. Below the lows of last week, and that would suggest that we see further support the idea that we see further gains from here. If you wanted to run a really wide one, and obviously that would be quite a wide one given the volatility, you'd have to put it below these lows, down below 24,800. So that's quite a wide one, but you could give you an extra margin of safety. But let's go with the narrow one to start with, 25,190, and see how it works out.
All right, Chris, thank you so much. That was Chris Beauchamp talking us through his long Dow trade for the week starting Monday the 22nd of October. Remember to Google IG's Trade of the Week to sign up to our weekly email. That way you'll get this trade idea direct to your inbox every Monday. Thanks for watching IGTV. I'm Victoria Scholar, and remember to find me on Twitter for more updates. I'm at VictoriaS_IG. See you soon.